Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system, back up important files, and create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. Make sure to note any recent app installs or Windows updates. These are often the culprits. If a simple reboot didn't help already, this first pass targets foundational file and image corruption. Next, you perform deeper repairs and profile checks. First, reset the Settings app through Apps and Features so you clear its cache and local data. Then, open Event Viewer and filter application and system logs for crashes referencing settings. exe to find error codes or failing modules. If logs point to user profile corruption, create a new local administrator account and sign in to test settings. If it works there, you know the issue is profile-specific. These steps reveal whether the problem is app-level, system-level, or tied to your user profile. To finish, apply corrective actions based on what you learned. If system files or components remain problematic, run an in-place repair using the Media Creation tool to refresh Windows while keeping files. This replaces damaged system binaries. If Event Viewer or a new profile implicated a recent update or app, uninstall the offending item and pause updates briefly while stable. Make sure to test settings after each change. If nothing works, restore to the earlier restore point or prepare a clean install. And if needed,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.